How to use margin on Robinhood safely. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use margin on Robinhood safely. So to use margin, you could follow the steps. Now, first thing, you have to meet the eligibility criteria or the requirement. So you must apply for a margin account and meet eligibility requirement, which may include your income, net worth, and a credit history. Likewise, you must have a minimum portfolio value of up to $2,000. And you could also read the margin account contract carefully to understand all the terms and conditions. Now, once your account is approved, you'll need to deposit a fund, and after which you must maintain a certain amount of equality in your account, known as your maintenance margin. If your portfolio value drops below your margin maintenance requirement, you may receive a margin call and you'll need to bring your portfolio value back up to your minimum maintenance requirement. So then you could go ahead and review all of these terms and conditions, and this way you could use your margin on Robinhood. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.